Have you ever been in a situation like this? Someone asks you a simple question in English, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank. You know the words. You understand the question, but you just can't say anything. No ideas, no sentences, just silence. So what's really happening? Is your English not good enough? Or is there something deeper going on? In this video, I'll show you the real reasons why you have no ideas when speaking English. And more importantly, how to fix it. The real problem. The biggest mistake most learners make is this. They think speaking is about knowing more vocabulary and grammar. But that's not true. Speaking is not just a knowledge skill. It's a real-time thinking skill. When you speak, your brain has to do 3 things at the same time. 1. Think of an idea. 2. Turn that idea into English. 3. Say it out loud. And if any step is slow, everything stops. That's why you feel stuck. It's not that you have no ideas. It's that your brain is overloaded. Reason number 1, you're translating. The first reason you have no ideas is simple. You're trying to translate from your native language. You think in your language first, then try to convert it into English. But translation takes time. And in a real conversation, you don't have time. So your brain freezes. The solution? Stop translating. Start thinking in simple English. Instead of, what do I want to say in my language? Ask, what can I say in English right now? Even if it's simple. Simple English is better than perfect silence. Reason number 2, you wait for perfect sentences. Another reason is perfectionism. You don't speak because you're waiting for the perfect sentence. Perfect grammar. Perfect vocabulary. Perfect pronunciation. But here's the truth. Fluent speakers don't speak perfectly. They speak quickly and naturally. If you try to be perfect, you will always be slow. The solution? Focus on communication, not perfection. Say something simple like, I think it's good. I don't know much, but in my opinion, these are your starter sentences. They give your brain time to continue. Reason number 3, you don't practice thinking. Most learners practice listening, reading, grammar, but they don't practice thinking in English. So when it's time to speak, their brain has no training. Speaking is not just about speaking. It starts with thinking. If you can't think in English, you can't speak in English. The solution? Practice thinking every day. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing? What did I do today? What will I do tomorrow? Answer them in English, out loud or in your head. This builds your idea muscle. Reason number 4, you don't have enough input. Another hidden reason, you don't hear enough English. If your brain doesn't receive enough input, it has nothing to output. Think of it like this. You can't create sentences if you've never heard them before. The solution? Listen more. Watch videos. Listen to podcasts. Pay attention to how people answer questions. Notice patterns like, well, I think, to be honest, it depends. These phrases give you ready-made ideas. How to fix it? So how do you fix this problem? Here's a simple system. 1. Think in simple English every day. Start training your brain to think in English daily. Not with long sentences, with simple thoughts. From the moment you wake up, try small ideas. I'm tired. I need coffee. Today will be busy. When you go outside, the weather is hot. I see many people. Don't translate from your language. Go directly to English. Keep it short, keep it clear. At first, it may feel slow or unnatural. But with daily practice, your thinking becomes faster and more automatic. Simple thoughts, repeated every day. Build real fluency. 2. Use short and easy sentences. Don't try to speak in long, complicated sentences. That only makes you slow and confused. Keep your sentences short and clear. Break big ideas into small parts. For example, instead of saying, I am extremely tired because I had many responsibilities today, say, I'm thirsty. Today was busy. Simple sentences are faster and easier to understand. They help you speak with less pressure. At first, it may feel too basic, but simple English is natural English. Focus on clarity, not complexity. Start small, speak clearly, and build from there. 3. Stop translating in your head. One of the biggest barriers to speaking English is translation. You think in your native language first, then try to convert it into English. This slows everything down. Instead, train yourself to think directly in English. Start with simple ideas. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I want to rest. Don't go back to your language. Skip translation completely. At first, it will feel difficult. But with practice, your brain will adapt. And over time, English becomes your first thought, not a translation. 4. Listen to real conversations. If you want to speak English naturally, you need to hear how real people actually speak. Not textbook English. Not slow practice audio. Real conversations. Listen to movies, podcasts, interviews, or daily talks. Pay attention to how people connect words, how they pause, and how they express ideas naturally. At first, you may not understand everything. That's okay. Just keep listening. Your brain is learning patterns silently. Over time, those patterns become familiar. And then, you start speaking the same way, naturally and confidently. 5. Practice speaking, even when you're alone. You don't always need a partner to improve your speaking skills. You can practice alone. Talk to yourself in English during the day. Describe what you are doing. I'm cooking now. I'm going to work. I feel a bit tired. It may feel strange at first, but that's normal. The goal is to build confidence and fluency. Speaking alone helps your brain get used to forming sentences without pressure. Over time, speaking becomes more natural, even when you talk to real people. Do this consistently, and your ideas will come naturally. Remember, you don't have no ideas. Your brain just hasn't been trained to think fast in English yet. But once you train it, speaking becomes easier, faster, more natural. Fluency is not about knowing more. It's about using what you already know. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos like this. And tell me in the comments, what do you struggle with most when speaking English? If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.